After two failed marriage, Laide Bakare announces date for her third marriage in Lekki. Hello everyone, welcome to Ejima TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment news. Please do well to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section to contribute. Laide Bakare, a famous Nollywood actress, is set to marry for the third time in Lekki, years after her second marriage failed. Laide Bakare's third marriage is set to take place on November 27, 2023, according to her verified Instagram page. Recall in December 2022, this lover reported that Laide Bakare has found love again in the hands of a mystery married man after two failed marriages. He shared the video of the man and accompanied it with the caption, "Love is a beautiful thing." Actress Laide Bakare's first marriage with US-based ex-husband, Mr. Olumide Kunfunliwe, produced a daughter named Simi, who was born in September 2008. In 2013, Laide Bakare got married to a second husband, Tunde Oriowo, a Lagos socialite. She has two sons with him. In the Instagram post, Laide Bakare announced that the wedding will take place on Sunday, December 2nd, 2023. She wrote, "Love is a beautiful thing. Join us this Saturday, December 2nd at Amore Garden, Lekki Phase 1, time 5 p.m. December is about to be dirty. Can't wait to host you." These are the reactions. Oseo wallpaper, third marriage. Why some are still looking for first one? Grace really differs. Mina wrote, some people never find love once, and I don't find her multiple times. Terminate wrote, "Congratulations, darling. Wait for me. I'm coming." Shindara Crown Zero wrote, "Aribo Aralefi Loko Oshi. Instead of you to find someone to be making you happy, they do rubbish later, you won't let me rest." Gift 1DK wrote, "Be like husband for Lagos past this Abuja." Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up like, go to the comment section to contribute. Thank you.